Hey, I'm Richard Butler, and I give you honest reviews of software that I personally use. Now, today I want to talk about creating digital courses and the best site that you can use to host your digital course. Now, I'm going to break this video up into 3 or 4 videos because there is a lot to cover. In this video, I want to cover the challenges that I have faced and where I've gone and the solution. Now, right off the bat, I'm going to tell you I'm talking about a software called Zenler. There is a link to sign up for free in the description. And yes, it is absolutely free. But of course, there is a paid version that gives you more functionality. And I'll talk about that over the next couple of videos. But let's talk about creating a digital course. There are many different sites out there that you can use to build your digital course. The first one is Udemy. Now, Udemy is very good because they have a huge market that people can view your course and sign up for it. The challenge with Udemy is to make money because Udemy will always discount courses, and then they take commissions, and then they take advertising costs, and you may set your course price at $199 and you may make $2 or $3 out of that. Now, why is that? Because, as I said, they do discount sales. All courses $12.99, and then by the time they take their commissions, you're not left with a lot. But Udemy is good for building a presence online and getting people into your course, but not for making money. Then you have other sites like Teachable and Kajabi, and there's countless others. But what I found with those is they can be really, really expensive. Because I have talked to many coaches who have set up a course on the aforementioned sites and they pay a monthly fee, and then they have to buy some other software to do something else and some other software to do something else. And it doesn't include everything that they need. So that leads us to the challenge. The first challenge is pricing can be expensive for some of these course softwares. The second challenge is that they all don't give you everything that you need. And the third challenge is that sometimes they can be quite difficult to use. So along came this software, Zenler. I'd never heard of it before, but I started to check it out. Now, what Zendler can do for you, and I think these are the essential elements for building out your courses. It is very easy to build out your course and your actual sales page and your checkout page and get payments and get people registered. That's really good. But not only that, it comes with marketing funnels. Now, when you build a course, the first thing that you're probably going to try and do is get people to come to what's called a landing page. They will sign up for something for free, and then you will send them emails and you will try and sell them into your larger course. You want to build up this email list or a marketing list. Zendler does that. But then once you have this list, you want to be able to send emails to them. Now, normally you would have to integrate with another system, Aweber, iContact, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, whatever it may be. But Zendler does that for you as well. It actually allows you to send emails out from their system. And I've checked, and the delivery rate is really, really good, meaning that the emails that are sent out via Zendler actually land in the inbox. That's essential. Zendler also then has a communities feature. And the communities feature allows you to have like a discussion board where, if you wish, people on the same course can discuss about the course. So this is very nice to build up user-generated content that people will just start discussing things amongst themselves. But for me, what really sells Zendler is that you can put on live Zoom sessions and live Zoom webinars using their Zoom capabilities. Now, hold on a second. Let's just listen to that again. When you have the paid version of Zendler, which at this time is just under $700 a year if you pay yearly, you will get access to their enterprise version of Zoom. Now, this means that you can set up webinars, and you can set this up through marketing funnels. And if you buy Zoom, you can have 100 people on the webinar. But when you use Zenler, you get access to up to 300 people on your webinar. It also does all of the recording for you. So you can actually record every single Zoom session that you do and then use that as content. This means that you can save money because you don't need to have course building software. You don't need to have something to create funnels like ClickFunnels. You don't need to have an autoresponder like Aweber or Constant Contact or any of those. You don't need to have an active Zoom subscription if you don't want to. And even if you have an active Zoom subscription, you can actually use theirs so that you can have a larger amount of people on your actual Zoom. Now, Zendler is really, really easy to use. It's one of these softwares that's just under the radar. I happened to learn about it through a company that I work with, that they started to move everything over to Zendler. And for the price of just under $700, it's $670 a year or $67 a month, you get all of this. But what you can actually do is you can try it for free, and there's a link below. And when you try it for free, you get to build your courses. They will take a percentage on every sale of the course, which they don't when you have the paid version. You don't get the access to the community element. You do get email broadcasts, but you get a limited amount of emails that you can send. I think it's 200 emails. And the final thing that you don't get access to is you don't get access to the actual Zoom element. But you can start building out your course, and when you actually start to generate money, you can actually upgrade. Now, as I said, there is a link below where you can sign up for free. Now, that's it for this first introductory video. I want to see what questions you have, because I want to go through each element of Zendler, and I want to give you a tutorial on how you can use it. And I have the paid version, so I'm going to be able to show you all of the functionality. Now, let me know in the description what questions you have. Make sure that you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, make sure that you ring the bell so that you can get updated when I actually upload the next part of this video. And I aim to do this over the next 2 weeks. This is probably the most in-depth review of any software that I've done. So let me know what you want to know, and I'll answer your questions in the next video.